Hey everyone, it's Beck here from In Line with Essential Oils, and I am going to show you this amazing yummy chocolate hemp seed coconut essential oily goodness smoothie. It's full of goodness. So I'm going to get started with showing you I'm just going to get straight into it. Let's just not waste any time. So I've already pitted 8 medjool dates. So I've counted them out, taken the seeds out of them, and I'll just pop them straight in. Then I put in, and I buy this in bulk and we keep it in the freezer. This is organic coconut milk powder. And so I put in a good 1, 2, 3, 4 spoonfuls. That's a dessert spoon. And then I also do the same with the hemp seeds. So we do 4 of those as well. And these are good organic hemp seeds. And we keep them in the fridge so they don't go rancid. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, if you had to put this, because I'm doing this for a family of 4, if you had to make this down to maybe 1 person or 2 people, I'd do 1 spoon of hemp seeds, 1 spoon of coconut milk powder and 2 dates. And I also put in cacao powder. This is usually our morning smoothie, but I'm doing it for tonight because I'm actually going to get in and do some things that I've been meaning to get done. So I'm going to put in 2 big heap teaspoons, oh not teaspoons, dessert spoonfuls. So that should be chocolatey enough for all of us. And then I add in the cinnamon essential oil. So I put 1 drop of cinnamon essential oil in, 1 drop of nutmeg essential oil. Not quite a chai because I don't have the black pepper in there. I think that wouldn't be amazing. So ginger, 1 drop of ginger. This is nice and soothing, really. I mean, the cacao powder is like, you know, it's only caffeinated when it's heated. So this is not going to get heated. Cardamom, 1 drop of cardamom. Then I fill this up to whatever looks good, usually either 1.25 or 1.5 litres. Perfect, 1.5 litres of distilled purified water. Excuse me, sorry, I just lost my voice there for a moment and I don't even know why. And pop the lid on and blend away. So I talk while I'm doing that part. How good is a Vitamix though? I'm sure there's other good blenders out there too, but we've had our Vitamix since forever and it's so awesome. We love it. And the Vitamix people have been amazing to us too if we've had any problems, which we've only had 1 in like, feels like, what, 10 years? Or something like that. Maybe it's only been 8 years, but close enough. So there's a smoothie. And this tastes divine. Yum. Okay, so the reason why we put in the coconut milk powder and the hemp seeds is because they're what create the milk. So that's the creaminess that you can see with the cacao powder added in there, and that is still cold, and it's only room temperature water that comes out of our reverse osmosis filter. And even though I blended it, which normally when you blend it in any blenders they do warm up a little bit, but this is still cooler, and it's not even room temperature. I would say it's cooler than room temperature. Yeah, so the cacao powder only is caffeinated when is heated and this is not. So this is nourishment. So a yummy chocolate spicy drink for winter to keep your body warm and going. Thanks for watching. Press the like button, share with your friends, and if you would like to know anything about the essential oils, please let me know. I'm a Young Living independent distributor and I love getting people setting up using these oils in their life. Talk to you soon.